Hey guys, are you on YouTube and you like that video and you want to say something on that video but you don't know how to comment on YouTube videos? Guys, this video is just going to show you how you can comment on any video that you want to talk about, anything that you want to contribute on that video. This video is going to show you how you can comment and add a comment or a question on any video that you want. Let's just try to do something right now so that we can know how you can comment on any video that you want to say something on it. Okay, I'm going to open this video. All you need to do is just to open one video that you want to talk about. So guys, if you want to comment or say something about the video, that you can just open the video and then to find where you can comment, just go down, keep scrolling down, keep going down, and there where it says add a public comment, and you may find other comments here. So all you need to do just to go there, then you say maybe say lovely. After then that, click on send. Your comment had it. As you can see, 1 second ago, for our comment where it say lovely video. Guys, this is how you can comment on YouTube video. And the other thing, maybe you want to subscribe, you can just click on this lady subscriber comment. If you want to like, also just type there you like, then you subscribe. Also, if you subscribe, you say hey, everything that's happening on that video, on that channel, you're going to know all the notification on new videos. Everything that you're happening is just to be, you're going to get that notification. Guys, thank you for watching this video.